Hey friends, so it's a new week. I am finally back in Atlanta. I haven't been back in Atlanta. Girl, where I live at? I'm finally back in Houston since being in Atlanta for a whole month. I can't believe I just ran up the stairs, child. Anyway, what am I doing? I am unboxing my new couch from, oh, where's the name? From how do you say it? Castlery? For some reason, I pronounced it Castlery. Please don't judge me. Anyway, I am unboxing this. It has two boxes. So I have this one, I have this one. So we're about to unbox that thing. We're about to unbox them. So let's see. I'm trying to film a TikTok. Put my phone at? A TikTok. All while trying to do this and film a YouTube video. How do people do it? I need the tips, but you know, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. If we locked in, ain't no switching out. Anyway, I got this part out, which seems promising. I already like the color already. Like I knew which color I was buying, but I really like the color already, so I'm excited to get the other one out and be able to put on the brass legs because the legs came separate in a different box when we delivered it today. So I finished putting together the couch. I'm gonna flip this around so you guys can see. So it's really like neutral and pretty, and it looks exactly what I think it is because I made like a little mock-up of how I want my living room to look, and it looks cute so far. So I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased. I gotta get used to looking into the camera since I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm really pleased with it. Next up, I'm getting my TV mounted. It's supposed to be this weekend, but I'm gonna try to see if I can move it to this week. Hopefully it's not like an extra expense because I moved the date, so let's see. But I kind of just want everything together like now. But let's see. It looks cute. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.